Teachers and all my dear friends. I am Shadikritha from first standard studying in Tuscany National School. I am 6 years old and I am from Chennai. The famous scientist Albert Einstein said, "Look deep into the nature, then you will understand everything better." Yes, Mother Nature can nurture our body, mind and soul. We are referring to her as mother because she is life-giving, just like our mother. Come on everyone, let's sing a beautiful rhymes for her. There are flowers, there are bees, blue rivers and green trees. They rumble this way and they buzz. There is sun, there is moon, twinkling stars and silver falls. They move, they shine and they fall. When the touch of cool breeze falls on earth and the skin, we know Mother Nature calling out to us. Mother Nature we care, Mother Nature we share all the bounties of love that you give. We will keep our rivers clean, care for the ground beneath our feet. Mother Nature we promise we will keep. There are creatures big and small, some can fly, some can crawl. With nature they all live in peace. The hummingbirds on the tree, the school of fishes in the sea. The wonders of nature I can see. Mother Nature we care, Mother Nature we share all the bounties of love that you give. We will keep our rivers clean, care for the ground beneath our feet. Mother Nature we promise we will keep. Mother Nature we care for you.